Tiger Lifting Single Bar Plain Hoist Beam Trolleys. This single bar trolley is a versatile and premium solution for lifting from overhead I-beams. They're designed with anti-drop plates to ensure safety and to prevent damage to the wheels when contacting end rail stoppers. The wheels of the trolley are designed with a convex profile to eliminate potential point loading and run on sealed bearings for smoother rolling with less effort and maintenance. They meet and exceed these national and international requirements. Our customers use Tiger Lifting single bar plain hoist beam trolleys to perform lifts in warehouses, machine and fabrication shops, and for general rigging projects. They're available in sizes ranging from 1 to 5 tons and I-beam flange widths from 2.4 to 7.6 inches. When it comes to beam trolleys, Tiger Lifting single bar plain hoist beam trolley is the premium choice for I-beam lifting versatility.